Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Hansen Pretty. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to delete your Facebook account permanently. You're going to be deleting your Facebook account forever. So if you want to delete your Facebook account and you don't know how to do that, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys. If this is the first time of you seeing this channel, please do well to subscribe and click the notification bell in order for you to stay with us on this channel. So let's quickly dive into the video. So all you need to do is to log in your Facebook account on your Facebook here. All you need to do is to click on the three line at the top right corner of your screen. Once you click on that, you scroll down gently till you get to settings and privacy. Then you click on settings. Once you click on settings, you click on accounts click on account center. So once you click on that, you're going to be clicking on personal details. On your personal details here, you are going to be clicking on account ownership and control. On account ownership and control, you are going to be clicking on deactivation or deleting. On account ownership and control, you are going to be clicking on deactivation or deletion. Click on that and you are going to be selecting your Facebook. Since you want to delete your Facebook, you are going to be clicking on your Facebook profile and you are going to be setting it on delete account. Deleting your account is permanent. So you're going to be clicking on continue. So you're going to click on continue. Once you click on continue, you're going to be clicking on continue as well, because you're going to be deleting both your Facebook page and the Facebook. So deleting your Facebook account, you are going to delete your Facebook page also. So you're going to be clicking on continue and you are going to be giving in, before you delete, we may be able to help. So you're going to be telling them what the reason why you want to delete your Facebook. So I'm going to be clicking on I spend too much time on Facebook and click on continue as well. So I'm going to be clicking on continue. Yes, I spend too much time on Facebook. And scroll down gently till you guys to continue and click on that. Here you're going to be putting in your Facebook password in order for you to delete your Facebook account. So if you want to delete your Facebook account, you're going to be putting in your password to delete your Facebook. So that is it on how to delete your Facebook account. So I've come to the very end of this video. If you find this video helpful, please do well to subscribe to my channel.